म्हादैचे इश्यूचेर आनीक डॉक्युमेंट दिवपाक गोंय, कर्नाटक आनी महाराष्ट्राक सुप्रीम कोर्टान 8 सप्तकांचो प्रास दिला. आनीक डॉक्युमेंट दिवपाक जाय म्हूण कर्नाटकान वेळ मागिल्लो.
As far as Karnataka is concerned, since we had filed a compilation of document, Karnataka said that they want to produce more documents which were there before the tribunal in the compilation. So that is how the matter got adjourned. But in the meanwhile, our two applications are allowed.
ट्रिब्युनलाक गोंयान दिवंक नाशिल्ले डॉक्युमेंट दिवपाकूय सुप्रीम कोर्टाची परवानगी.
The Supreme Court has allowed our two interim applications, interlocutory application. One was for production of additional documents which are not produced before the tribunal. That has been granted by the Supreme Court. The documents are ordered to be produced on record. Then we wanted to take additional grounds regarding yield, total yield, etc. That amendment is also allowed by the Supreme Court. And we will be now carrying out the amendment.
गोंयान डॉक्युमेंट सारके लावंक ना म्हूण कर्नाटकाचो दावो. एजी म्हणटा तांचो दावो चुकीचो. सगळे डॉक्युमेंट सारके लायला. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.